VLORI.com is a website that's been appearing in online advertisements and search results, offering a wide variety of products ranging from RC airplane kits and Bluetooth keyboards to portable juicers and solar lights. The site promotes worldwide shipping, a 180-day after-sales guarantee, and significant discounts across nearly every product category. At first glance, the deals may seem attractive. But if you're wondering whether VLORI.com is trustworthy or if there are any warning signs buyers should know about, let's take a closer look. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as shopping, legal, or financial advice. Always do your own research before purchasing from any online store or platform. One of the first things we noticed is the age of the website. Public domain records show that VLORI.com was registered in March 2026. That makes it a very new online store. While a new domain does not automatically mean a website is problematic, newer websites generally have less track record and fewer customer experiences available for shoppers to review. Another point worth noting is the type of products being sold. VLORI offers a wide range of unrelated items, from electronics and outdoor gadgets to kitchen accessories and pest control products. This kind of general product catalog is often seen on drop-shipping style stores where products are sourced from third-party suppliers rather than developed by the company itself. That's not necessarily a problem, but can sometimes lead to inconsistent product quality and shipping experiences. The website does provide some positive trust signals. It lists a contact email address, business hours, shipping information, refund policies, and a physical address in California. Many questionable stores provide little or no contact information, so having these details publicly available is generally a positive sign. However, there are still a few concerns worth considering. During our research, we found that VLORI currently has no reviews on Trustpilot. A lack of independent reviews doesn't prove anything negative, especially for a newer website, but it does make it harder to verify customer satisfaction, delivery reliability, and product quality through third-party sources. We also noticed that many products are advertised with large discounts and savings percentages. While sales are common in e-commerce, shoppers should always compare prices across multiple websites because similar products can often be found elsewhere under different brand names. Another thing to keep in mind is that the domain is registered for only a relatively short period, which is common among newer e-commerce stores but provides less long-term history than more established retailers. Overall, VLORI.com does not display some of the obvious warning signs often associated with fraudulent websites, such as missing contact information or a completely anonymous presence. However, the combination of a very new domain, no independent Trustpilot reviews, and a broad catalog of heavily discounted products means buyers should proceed with reasonable caution.